Modify. Modify the video. Let the AI do the magic to turn your old boring video into an eye-gluing social masterpiece by adding subtitles, audio wave, 3D characters, and more. Vlog videos. One of the main reasons why video blogs are so common is that they're an easy way to connect with other people from different countries and cultures. That's why with Revideo making, vlog video is the easiest it's ever been. Square videos. Because these videos provide a 1:1 ratio, they expand so that they fill the screen without users needing to adjust their phones. This leads to more views, a higher video completion rate, and ultimately more engagement from mobile users. Meme videos. Meme marketing is here to stay. Turn any video into an engagement-boosting, attention-grabbing meme video for your business. With Revideo, it's a breeze to create meme videos. Captioned videos. If you are creating video content for social media and you are not including captions in your videos, a huge portion of your audience isn't hearing your message. Revideo auto caption feature helps your videos stand out on social media. Vertical videos. Vertical video on Instagram and Facebook did far better. According to the reports, vertical video content got 6% more 3-second views and 187% more people watched at least half of the video. Influencer-style videos. Instantly became an internet sensation with Gary V. Tony Robbins-style videos. Revideo includes multiple influencer-style video templates inside. Video podcast. Video podcasting can make you appear more authentic to your audience and allows you to better connect with them. Creating video podcast with Revideo is super easy and takes a few click of mouse button. Introducing I'm Your Videos. Revideo is a powerful, online video creator. It comes packed with 100+ templates, AI background removal tool, royalty-free stock images and much more. See our testimonials. This Revideo application is amazing and simple. It is exactly what I was looking for. Being able to repurpose videos, add subtitles/coded captions and repurpose is the name of the game. I can't wait to get my hands on this and go viral. David. They said in a flash. Well, yes, literally in a flash I was able to revamp all my old and boring social media videos to eye-popping machines. And the audiogram feature is just wow for my podcast videos to keep the audience engaged. Thanks to Team Revideo for this great masterpiece. Logic Beam. Commercial license. Any business who wants more and buyers traffic scroll-stopping video posts and ads. And they really need this solution to gain more traffic, sales, and profit. And you can provide them this no-brainer server for one-time price or charge monthly. All thanks to Revideo commercial license. With Revideo, you are getting a commercial agency license with 3 additional seats for your clients, co-workers, or family with individual logins. This means either you can charge them for this powerful video creating app or for sub-account, one-time or recurring. Revideo is backed by a full 30-day money-back guarantee. Yes, you heard it right. 30 days ironclad money back. Only very few good software vendors can give you such strong commitment and the longest period of refund. We're one of the best in customer support and known for our quality software series in various niches. Our customer vouch for us, so will you once you deal with us. Your win in business is our win. We'll give you full of your money back even on 14th day if you face any technical issue which we don't solve for you. Our money back applies to technical issues only. Other than that, all sales are final. What makes it different from other apps? A Revideo is world's easiest video creator that allows you create scroll-stopping ads and videos for your social media. It comes with 3D character and objects created and animated by 3D marketing guru. Does Revideo will work for me? Yes. Video revolution is taking over the internet and attention is everything. When your competition is blindly using old boring videos for running ads and posting on social media, you can outsmart them using this unique system and create the eye-catching video ads and make the profit easily. Can I sell the video? Yes, we have included the commercial rights and you can sell the videos that you created using Revideo to your clients. I don't create the videos? No worries. If you have businesses in your clients list already, they want nothing but the best results from you. Any business who wants more and buyers traffic is either creating videos for running ads and managing social media posts or planning to. And they really need this solution to gain more traffic, sales, and profit. And you can provide them this no-brainer service for one-time price or charge monthly. All thanks to Revideo commercial license. Will Facebook and Instagram approve these video ads? Yes, simply click our ad-friendly button when creating your video ads and they'll be transformed into fully compliant video ads according to your platform. I'm not a very tech-savvy, is Revideo easy to use? Yes. It is a point-and-click system. It couldn't be easier. We always go the extra mile to make everything as simple to use as possible. If you haven't already watched the demo video, watch it now so you can see just how easy it is to use. If you have any issue, we will help you. Where can I get support? We have a experts team and support desk. Simply open a support ticket if you experience any problems. A support link is provided inside the software dashboard. No thanks, I'd rather miss out on Revideo, take me to the last upgrade act now. This offer will expire with the charter launch period, and after that, it will be available on a monthly or annual package. In no way are we associated with Facebook. Once you leave Facebook, the responsibility is no longer on any Instagram-owned entity. Your information and privacy is totally secure and will never be shared. Facebook is in no way associated with this website or anything here. Starting now, free training how new AI video creator gets in 100K/year profits, creates videos in seconds, create/sell unlimited videos built by GPT Videos AI.